Assalamu alaikum, dear students of 8th class. Again, I welcome to all of you. As you know, we are reading science textbook and chapter number is 5, reproduction. Reproduction in animals is the name of the chapter. Recently, we learned about female reproductive system, which I have already drawn here. Female reproductive system. This is the diagram of female reproductive system, which we have already learned, and again I have drawn here so that today's subtopic will be easy to understand. Dear students, these are the organs of the female reproductive system: vagina, uterus, ovaries. These are the two ovaries, and these are the fallopian tubes. And today we will understand about the fertilization. What the fertilization word means? Fertilization means combining together. Fertilization means joining together. Fertilization means mixing together, or we can say fusing together. Therefore, we combine something. What we combine, or what we mix, what we fuse, or what we join, this will be learned in this lesson, inshallah. So the definition of the fertilization, this was the dictionary meaning of the fertilization. Now if we will take the definition, short definition, or we can say one line definition, then we can write fusion of male gametes, fusion of male gametes fusion of male and female gametes to form zygote. The process is known as fertilization. This is the short definition. Or we can also write fusion of sperm. This is important to remember, that fusion of sperm with egg to form zygote. Here I will underline this. Fusion means we combine, we mix, we join. What? Male gametes means male sex or male sperm with the female gametes, with the female egg to form zygote. Fusion of sperm, combining or joining of sperm, combination of sperm with an egg to form zygote is known as fertilization. Now, the process of this formation or this fertilization or this we can say combination, or we can say the joining or combining, or in simple we can say the fertilization of this male gametes with the female gametes. So then it forms zygote. How the process works? What is the process? How it occurs, we can say. Therefore, as you know, Male suppose comes from here, vagina, enters into the vagina, and it passes directly. These are the sperms, male sperm, and this goes to the ovary. These are the two ovaries. I have chosen this one. This goes to the ovary, and here it joins with the egg as ovary releases the egg. The function of the ovary is to release the egg. The ovary releases the egg. This process is known as ovulation. And when this male sperm, when this male sperm or male gametes meets with this egg or with this female gametes, female egg, it forms here zygote. What the zygote means? Zygote is a fertilized egg. So this process of meeting, entering and meeting in the ovary with the egg, sperm and this egg of female gametes, this meeting or joining, this process is known as fertilization. Dear students, besides this, in your for understanding, there is another figure diagram in your science textbook, page number 38. There is the upper diagram. There is a diagram which shows how fertilization occurs. This is the sperm of the male sperm, how it enters in this ovary, and when it mixes with this, when it joins with this mixing or joining this male sperm with this egg, which is called the ovum, or we can say the ovulation in the ovary, the mixing of this process is known as fertilization. This is the next diagram which has been shown separately. Dear students, you must remember that this meeting or joining of the male sperm with the ovum, this forms beginning of new individual. This formation of beginning of new individual or formation of new individual is known as zygote. So the zygote is the beginning of new individual inside the womb or inside this ovary. You can say that this is known as zygote. So zygote is actually the fertilized egg. This is also the beginning of the new individual. So you must remember this, that the zygote is the beginning of new individual. In short, we can say that the zygote is the beginning of a new individual. Dear students, the process of fertilization, we can also say the process of this fertilization is the meeting of an egg cell from the mother. Meeting of the egg cell, this meeting of the egg cell of the mother and meeting of male cell or the male sperm of the mother, of the father. So this meeting or joining of this father's cell, father's sperm and mother's egg is known as fertilization. So this new beginning of zygote comes when when the father's sperm meets with the mother's egg. This this gives this forms a zygote, or we can say this forms a new individual, beginning of a new individual, which we call the zygote. So dear students, the new individual, or we can say the new baby, this possesses or inherits some features from the mother and some features from the father. Look, you can also look at your brother or sister. See if you can recognize some characters in them similar to those of your mother or of your father. So this fertilization which takes place inside the female's body is known as internal fertilization. This internal fertilization occurs not in only in humans, but also in other animals like cows, dogs, and hens. This was all about today's subtopic, that was the fertilization. Hope you might have understand. Khuda Hafiz.